Welcome to Marine Connection. My name is Jess. The boat we're going to show you today is an absolutely beautiful 2000 260 Sea Ray SunDancer. This boat's in great condition for the year. We'll walk you through the boat, show you all the features on the boat. We'll take you out in the water, show you how well this 5.0 EFI motor pushes it. Has a Bravo II outdrive on it. Great big outdrive for a boat this size. You'll see we got plenty of power for it here today. You'll see that all the upholstery on this boat is in excellent condition as well. We've got a large swim platform on the back of the boat with a boarding ladder. Makes it getting easy in and out of the boat easy if you're out swimming, snorkeling, and whatnot. Walkway door here. A lot of storage on this boat. One thing you'll see, it does have the back bench seat here, and you'll see in the pictures also that this seat does collapse down and out of the way to open up this entire cockpit area. So you're looking to do some water sports or fishing out of the back or something, you can open this right up. This seat will also come down so you can make this into a sun lounge area. It's got the bimini top. It's got the three-sided enclosure. The front panel and the two sides panels come with it, and you'll see that in the pictures as well. At the helm area, you have your tilt wheel, your VHF radio. It's got 473 hours on the motor. Here in the cockpit area here, you have a freshwater sink area here with a washdown. Large storage area underneath. Got your captain's seat with a bolster here. At the helm area, all your switches, gauges, VHF radio, tilt wheel, trim tab controls. Once again, all the upholstery over here you can see is in excellent condition. You can see it's got a huge cabin on it for a boat this size. Nice seating area in the front. Got your cabin table. It also does have a cockpit table. Right now it's stored inside the aft cabin. We have all the canvas stored up over here. More closet storage here. Got your refrigerator, your gas stove, freshwater sink down here. Got your microwave here as well. Microwave, more storage here. Here you have your, when you plug in your shore power, you'll have your battery charger, your air conditioning, hot water heater, 12 volt, your stereo. This boat's in excellent condition, as you can see. It's well accessorized, a lot of features on this boat. It's got the vacuum flush toilet, very clean inside there. Let's go ahead and take a look inside there. You can see everything inside there is fiberglass. You got the shower in there also, more storage inside there. Very easy to keep clean. All the carpet in here is in excellent shape. Aft cabin has a lot of room. We'll go ahead and give you a shot of the aft cabin with a nice big mirror in there. Well, let's go ahead and we're going to go ahead and open the engine hatch and start the motor up for you, show you how well this motor runs. Runs beautiful. Let's go out in the water and have some fun. Well, we've had a great time showing you this 260 Sea Ray SunDancer. You can see the boat's in great condition, engine runs well, pushes it great. It's going to make some an absolutely beautiful cruiser. Any questions, send me an email, give me a call. Have a great day and God bless.